I don't wanna be in Finley cause it goes to bed at 9. I don't wanna be in Bowling Green because it's plastered all the time. I don't wanna be in Lima cause there's nothing there to do. I just wanna spend some time with you. I don't wanna be in Cincy cause it smells like burning tires. I don't wanna be in Cleveland cause the lake will catch on fire.
That it says Wimbledon and Putney Commons Waterfall Protection Area. Please help us protect the breeding waterfowl in this pond by keeping dogs out of the water during the nesting season. There you go. Come on, let's go to the Swan. All right, don't pass in that bed then. Come here this way. No, not there. It's wet. Look at that. Oh, it's flying. Wow. Is that geese flying? Yeah? Wow. He's so cute. Isn't it?
Yeah, there's one here.
Huh? That's pigeon.
They look like ducks.
Yeah. There is one in there. And I think that is seagull.
A seagull duck.
The geese is in that bed. No, there's no geese there at the moment. Shall we go there?
Sure.
Shall we? Come on then.
Yeah, we can walk in that.
Pardon?
We can go here, but it's really muddy. Look.
Yeah, don't step on the muddy bed. Otherwise your mama will not happy later. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Where are they going?
They're going to hospital.
Yeah?
They're going to really hospital.
So you're staying with Tita, yeah? We can have our snack in here, in this lovely pond. Isn't it? Yeah. Look at that. Wow. It's nice walking in this bed, isn't it?
I don't care.
Yeah. Just be careful. Wow.
Oh,
What are you having? Are you having ice lolly?
no, that's
All right. It's not ice lolly. All right. Just normal candy then. Just normal lollipop. Oh, there you go. There's a geese and a swan. Say hello, swan. Say hello, geese. Wow, look at them. There they are, yeah. Say hello. Oh. The seagulls like, no, it's me. That's what the seagulls say, isn't it? Hello. Oh, look at that.
touch them.
No, we cannot touch them. It's a bit dirty.
Dirty?
Yes. You can come a bit nearer, but not touching them. Alright? Yeah, you can have a look there if you want. But don't touch them, yeah? Pardon? Yeah. Are they? Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Yeah. You think there is fish in there? Oh. Oh. Come here, Isabel, come here. This one is coming. Come here, come here. Say hello, Swan. They wants to chase the dog. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Oh, wow. Huh? Sorry? Yeah, that's the seagull. Seagull say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh, he's still there.
Oh, look at him. Bye bye, Swan.
Big lake.
I know. It's so lovely, isn't it?
It's a place for creatures to go.
Yeah. Nanami angkaw? Yeah. Meron din niyan sa Guimaras, di ba? Nung umuwi ka? Di ba? Don't come near there. Don't fall in the water, darling. Come here. Yeah, that's the geese. Little geese. Hmm? Pardon? Yeah, I am. Di mapungko ta dito? Mapungko ta dito? Di ta mapungko? Ha? Dira? Di malayo na sa ano? Malayo sa Swan? Swan is already there, look. Do you want to go that side? Then we can see the Swan. We can sit there. Hmm? There's a seagull in the post, look. Look at the seagull in the post. You can't say. Hey? Pardon? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, little ducklings.
The one eats. They eat.
Pardon? Yeah, it's so cold now. Are you okay? Say hello, Swan. Woo! Wow, look at them. Hello, Swan. Hello, Swan. Don't come near, otherwise they will bite you. Kagatin kay karon. Kagton kay karon, kagton kay karon. Ha? Oo. Say bye-bye. Be careful there, not in that bit. Oh, they're going now. Oh, wow. Are you chasing them? Be careful. Nak, come here, come back. Dali na kay mapuli na ta. I think that is mama now. Is that mama? There. There. Sinanay mo na na? You need a way? Oh gosh. Come here then, quick.